Give them a big round of applause. The matches which we experience here is a courtesy of both the official umpires, Ram Krishna Ibrahimpurkar sir and Nitin Poke sir. We give them a big round of applause once again. They are the real treasure of our Kerry Champions League. They make the Kerry Champions League a successful one. Once again, we thank you, sir, for being with us each and every time. Ram Krishna and Nitin Poke sir. Thank you very much for being with us. Thank you, madam. Next, I would like to call the proprietor of the decorator. The ground has been decorated by Adinath Decorator. The proprietor of Adinath Decorator, Mr. Pranay Majik, please come on the stage and receive a token of love. Pranay Majik. I request Deputy Sarpanch Inspector Bhiva Gawat sir to please honor Pranay Majik, a token of love from organizer. Next, the sound, which provides us a confidence and energy to make this championship league a successful one. Minnanath Kirkar from Proton Audio, please come on the stage and receive a token of love from organizers and Village Panchayat Kiri. Come first. Token of love, Minnath. Minnath. So I request Usman Sayyed sir to please honor Proton Audio, the owner Mindanath Kirkar, who has been with us from right from the first season, second, third, and this is the fourth season. Proton Audio, Mindanath Kirkar, here we have on the stage. Give him a big round of applause for his wonderful sound system and every time support for Kiri Champions League. Next, I would like to call DJ Poison. Please come on the stage, always being with us as a member, as a support system for us. Proton Audio, along with Proton Audio, DJ Poison, Vishal, the owner of Bro Code, please come on the stage and collect your memento from the organizers and Village Panchayat Kiri. And the matches which played on this ground has been live telecasted by AB25 YouTube channel. I would like to call upon the stage Bharat Arkas, please come on the stage and receive a token of love on behalf of organizers. Bharat Arkas, please come on the stage and collect a token of love on behalf of organizers. Here we have Raju, the cameraman Raju. Give him a big round of applause. Mr. Raju, who has been capturing each and every moment of the matches from AB25 live YouTube channel. I request Sripat sir to please honor the AB25 YouTube channel, Raju. Next, I would like to call upon the stage the owner of Ajoba Maharaj. Please come on the stage and receive one token of love on behalf of organizers. The owner of Ajoba Maharaj, please come on the stage and receive this token of love. Praveen. Captain of Ajoba Maharaj, please receive this token of love. I request Sandeep Tate sir to please honor the team which took part in this championship. Owner, if there is Ritesh, sorry, Ajoba Maharaj team, Ritesh Shalskar, if there, or anyone from Ajoba Maharaj, or otherwise captain will collect. Next, the team, Bajrang Boys, the owner of Bajrang Boys, please come on the stage and receive one memento from the organizers, or anyone from Bajrang Boys. Yes, Rameshwar, please come fast. Then I would like to call upon the stage the owner of Atul Strikers. Please come on the stage, Ramchandra. Atul Striker, owner of Atul Striker, please come on the stage and receive one moment. I request Uttam Gawas to please do the honor next Atul Strikers. Give him a big round of applause. The owner of Bajrang Boys, who has been a consistent team for the Kiri Champions League. Bajrang Boys from Virdi. Next, the owner of Atul Strikers, please come on the stage and receive one token of love on behalf of organizers and Gram Panchayat Kiri. Next, I would like to call upon the owner of Sadhvi Cricketers. Please come on the stage and collect one memento from the organizers. The owner of Sadhvi Cricketers. I request Nandita Gawas madam to do the honor. Narayan, captain of Sadhvi Cricketers, please come on the stage and collect this memento. Next, I would like to call upon the owner of Azoba Titans, Mr. Omkar Gawat, please come on the stage and collect a memento from the organizers. Azoba Titans, owner Omkar Gawat, please come on the stage. I request Chandrakant sir to please do the honor. The owner of Azoba Titans, the new team for this season 4. Here we have owner Omkar Gavas collecting the memento for participating in this Kiri Champions League as Azoba Titans team. Next, I would like to call upon the owner of Kirim Cricketers. Please come on the stage, Mr. Vishant Kirkar. Please come on the stage and collect a token of love from organizers. Anyone from Kirim Cricketers? Yes, Usman sir will collect the memento of Kirim Cricketers. I request Biwa sir to please honor this token of love to the owner of Kirim Cricketers, a team which took part in each and every league of Kiri Champions League every year. So congratulations to Kirim Cricketers also. Next, I would like to call upon the owner of SCP brother Nikhil Bandekar. Please come on the stage and collect one memento from organizers. I would like to request Sarpanch Diksha Gawas madam to please honor this to the runners-up of Kiri Champions League Season 4, SCP Brothers, Nikhil Bandekar. Give him a big round of applause to SCP Brothers. He has been energetic throughout the Champions League. So give him a big round of applause once again. Nikhil Bandekar, the owner of SCP Brothers. Next, I would like to call upon the owner of Kiravade Royals, Mr. Manoj Gavas. Please come on the stage and collect a memento from the organizers. I would like to request Sarpanch Diksha Gavas madam to the honor. So Manoj Gavas, the owner of Kiravade Royals. Congratulations to Kiravade Royals for being the champions of Kiri Champions League Season 4. So it's a courtesy of Morning Cricketers and Village Panchayat Kiri. This Champions League Season 4 has been tremendous support by various well-wishers and supporters. So I would like to say here, passing on the baton and carrying on the tradition. It's a tradition. It's now become a tradition for Kiravade Royals to win each and every match and become the champions. Big round of applause to Kiravade Royals for being the champions of Kiri Champions League Season 4. सो हो तो टुर्नामेंट जालो मॉर्निंग क्रिकेटर्स जरी हांगा वावुरता जाल्यार सगळ्यांचो सपोर्ट आमकां मेळटा आनी केरी चॅम्पियन्स लीग सक्सेसफूल जाता आनी चॅम्पियन्स लीग ऑर्गनायज करप खरेंच इजी दिसता बट 3 दीस जे कश्ट घेतात आनी तातूंतल्यान वेगवेगळे प्लेयर आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटात जरी प्लेयर कमी असले जाल्यार बरो खेळ पळोवपाक मेळटा आनी आयज तुमकांय खबर आसतलें की आयजच्या ज्या टॅक्नॉलॉजिकल वर्ल्डान भुरगे ग्राउंडार कमी दिसतात आनी मोबायल किंवा अदर गोश्टींनी चड दिसतात तरी आसतना आमच्या भितर असो एक प्लेयर आसा एट द एज ऑफ 48 he is still consistent with his bowling, batting, each and everything on the field, on the ground. I would like to call upon Prakash Desai. Please come on the stage and receive a felicitation from organizers. Prakash Desai, he has been a tremendous for his team. Each and every time he is giving his best. At the age of 48, it is difficult to be on the ground. But heads off to Prakash Desai. Once again, give him a big round of applause. Prakash Desai. I request Sarpanch Diksha Gawas madam to honor Prakash Desai. Give him a big round of applause once again to Prakash Desai. And cash prize has been awarded by Sanju Parab and Deven Joshi to Prakash Desai. I would like to hand over that cash prize to Prakash Desai also. So it's a big congratulations and proud moment for us. Prakash Desai at the age of 48 is giving his valuable contribution. So his experience and his momentum we have to carry and we have to show our performance each and every time on the field. It's a seriousness, enthusiasm from the senior player which makes. Yes, one second. Ekut. Prakash, Prakash sir, it's a request. Ekut. So it's a courtesy of morning cricketers who have been involving young players as well as senior players each and every time. And it's a proud moment for us organizers to give a platform to each and everyone on this ground. So thanks to Village Panchayat Kiri and big thanks to respected Baba Shri Vishwajit Rane sir and Dr. Divya Rane madam for giving us a valuable contribution to make this Kiri Champions League a successful one. So we are moving towards the individual prizes. We are getting ready. The table will be ready. So I would like to call upon stage the captain of SCP Brothers. Please come on the stage and we have some time. So please share some experience on this stage. SCP Brother Nikhil Bandekar, please come on the stage. Nikhil.
Hello. Hello. Morning Cricketers Kerry, Season 4, KCL Season 4. सलग 4 वर्सां जाल्ल्या ही टुर्नामेंट दवरता आणि ही टुर्नामेंट जावपाचो मेन कारण आसा ते आमचे मॉर्निंग क्रिकेटर्स. मॉर्निंग क्रिकेटर्स म्हटल्यार तुमकां आतां दिसता सायटीक स्टेजीस सायटीक आसा ते भुरगे. हांव सीझन फर्स्ट पासून टीम घेता. आतां ऑलमोस्ट 4 वर्सां जाली. एक वर्सा आमी विनर आसले, एक वर्सा रनर्स अप ह्या वर्सा आणि 2 वर्सां सेमी लुजर्स. म्हाका बरें दिसता की हाका केरींग क्रिकेट टीम घेवपाक, कारण हांव तरी जितलो खेळांक पावना पूण म्हाका म्हाज्या टिमी वांगडा रावपाक बरें दिसता. आणि अशेंच म्हणटा की आमचे जे भुरगे मॉर्निंग क्रिकेटर्स आहा हेंच्यांनी अशी आतां ही चवथी आसला, चवथी न्हू कंटिन्यू जो मेरेन तेंच्यान जाता तो मेरेन टुर्नामेंट घेवपाची. अशेंच आनी एक तांच्यांनी बरें केल्लें आसा की एक नेट्स केल्या ती धाकट्या तुमच्या भुरग्यां खातीर, कारण आतां ते खेळटा बट फुडलो जनरेशन आसा ती तुमची भुरग्यांची आसा. तुमी जाता तितले त्या नेटीचो यूज करा. आणि नेट तुमी तुमकां फ्री आसा ती ऑलमोस्ट ही आमच्या बाबा आणि बाबीन तेंच्यांनी स्पॉन्सर केल्ली आसा नेट्स, ती तुमी यूज करा. कारण अशी नेट्स तरी तुमकां कमीच खंयच्या गांवांत दिसता. ती आमच्या मॉर्निंग क्रिकेटर्सान आणि आमच्या सरान आणि मॅडमीन तेंच्या हेल्प करून केल्ली आसा. अशेंच हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा की म्हाका हांगा 2 उतरां सांगपाक दिल्ली म्हणून. थँक्यू मॉर्निंग क्रिकेटर्स.
Yes, Nikhil Bandekar, the first season 2020 was organized on the motivation and coordination of Nikhil Bandekar. खरंच बरें दिसता की तो सदांच टीम घेता आणि सदांच मोटिवेट करता भुरग्यांक आणि वेगवेगळ्या भुरग्यांक तो प्लॅटफॉर्म दीत आसता. बरें दिसता जेन्ना केरी चॅम्पियन्स लिगान वेगवेगळे टीमी आमकां एवरी इयर जॉईन जातात आणि सगळे ओनर कोऑपरेटीव असतात. सो बिग थँक्स टू ऑल द ओनर्स हू हॅज गिवन अ व्हॅल्युएबल सपोर्ट टू मेक दीस केरी चॅम्पियन्स लीग अ सक्सेसफुल वन. So without wasting much of time and moving towards individual prizes, I would like to request Chandrakant sir to say a few words on this occasion.
मॉर्निंग क्रिकेटर केरी आणि इन ग्रामपंचायत केरी इन कोलॅबोरेशन विथ ग्रामपंचायत केरी यांच्यानी आयोजित केल्या या टुर्नामेंटाक माचीर आसले सगळे डिग्निटरी, सरपंच, डेप्युटी सरपंच, बाकीचे पंच आणि फुड्यान बसलेले सगळे तुम्ही सगळ्यांक गुड इवनिंग. येस, चड टायम घेना. सगळ्यांक कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन. सगळ्यांत पयलीं म्हटल्यार तर ओनर्स जेंची हांगा टिमी घेतल्यो, बिकॉज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट पार्टिसिपेट करप अबाउट टीम घेवप. कित्याक हो जो जेन्ना आमी लीग म्हणटा तेन्ना एक खर्चाची बाजू आसता, टायम स्पेंड करचो पडटा. सो तांकां सगळ्यांक कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन. ऑफकोर्स विनर्स केलावडे वॉरियर्स तांकां कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन, बरो खेळ केलो तेंच्यांनी. रनर्स अप तांकांय कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन. चडांत चड कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन म्हाका म्हणून दिसता ऑर्गनायझर्स, बिकॉज आमी फक्त हांगा येवन गेम पळयता बट तेज्या फाटल्यान जी तयारी आसता, एफर्ट्स घेवपाची आसता, जायत्यो मिटिंग्स घेवपाची आसता, ते आमी पळयना. आनी खरेंच ते करताले जाल्यार खूब पाशास जाय, खूब कडेन डोनेशनाक वचचें पडटा, तयारी करची पडटा आनी खूब क्रिटिसायजूय जावचें पडटा. तो व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट आसता. सगळें केल्या उपरांत कोण तरी नांवां दवरपी आसता. ते सगळें आसतना मॉर्निंग क्रिकेटर जे आसा सरळ सलग चवथी तेंची स्पर्धा जावन आसा. खरेंच तांकां कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन. मॉर्निंग क्रिकेटर म्हणटा ते दे आर नॉट ओन्ली प्रोवायडींग ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज टू द प्लेयर्स बट ऑल्सो viewers, cricket viewers like us to enjoy this beautiful game of cricket. So खरेंच तांकां कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन. आनी अशेंच तेंच्यांनी फुडें टुर्नामेंट दवरपाचें, चडांत चड प्लेयरांक खेळाडूंक म्हणटा तो चान्स दिवपाचो. एकूच सांगून दिसता पुलीस फिल्डान आसल्या कारणान, कित्याक तर आयज आमी पळयता की समाजान जायते डिप्रेशन आसा, जायते कडेन म्हणटा ते कशें आहा तर भुरगे जावं जाणटे जावं एक डिप्रेशनान जावं एक नैराश्य जे म्हणटा तेतून रॉंग स्टेप्स घेता. आनी ह्यो ज्यो अश्यो आवटडोर गेम्स आसा, ती क्रिकेट म्हूण, फुटबॉल म्हूण, व्हॉलीबॉल म्हूण, ह्यो गेम आमकां शिकयता तेतूंतसून कशें आमी ओवरकम करतले. गेम आमकां शिकयता टू डेवलप अवर पर्सनॅलिटी. कित्याक तर आमी जेन्ना भायर सरना गेम आमकां शिकयता टीम वर्क कसो आसचो, जावं आमी समाजान कशें वावुरचें, जावं आमी एक बाकीच्या फुडें कशें आमकां प्रेजेंट करतले, हे सगळें आमकां टीम वर्क शिकयता, जावं गेम शिकयता आमकां. आनी सगळ्यान व्हडली गजाल म्हणल्यार कितें आसा तर आमकां हार जी आसा, डिफीट जे आसा ते कशें पचोवपाचें हें आमकां कितें करता, गेम शिकयता. आमी हारले म्हणून कांय खेळ सोडना, आमी परत व्हडल्यान नेटान प्रॅक्टिसीक सुरवात करता टू एचीव अवर टार्गेट. आनी तें जर करताले जाल्यार अशे तरेची आवटडोर गेम खेळपाची गरज आसा. आनी आमी जेन्ना केन्ना गेम खेळटले जर आमकां अशे तरेच्यो कितें बरी बरी प्रायजां मेळटा, अशी बरे तरेची ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटा, आमकां प्लॅटफॉर्म मेळटा, जाल्यारूच तें शक्य आसा. आनी ताका लागून खरेंच परत एकदां हांव कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन म्हणटा, अभिनंदन करता मॉर्निंग क्रिकेटराचें. आनी येस, सगळ्यांक हेज्या फुडें ऑल द बेस्ट, सगळे बरे खेळे आनी थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
थँक्यू सर. सराचे मोटिवेशनल वर्ड्स आमच्या खातीर सदांच मोटिवेशन दितले आनी एनकरेजमेंट दीत रावतले. सर आमच्या वांगडा सदांच आसता. एवरी इयर दे गिव्स द वॅल्युएबल कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन. आनी हांगा सांगून दिसता की सरान जी गोश्ट उलयली डिसिप्लीन आनी नैराश्य म्हणजे नेगेटीव किंवा नर्वसनेस जी आसा ती खेळाच्या मैदानाचेर येयल्या उपरांत आमी विसरूंक शकता. सो आयज गरज आसा खरीच खेळाक चड इम्पॉर्टन्स दिवपाक आनी अश्यो नेट्स किंवा ग्रावंडाचो जो उपयोग करून घेवचो. आनी ह्या वेळाचेर हांव मागता आमच्या मदीं आसलेले पंच मेंबर श्री श्रीपाद गांवस सर हांचे लागीं गितांजली हांगासर आपलें मत व्यक्त करचें.
गुड इवनिंग सगळ्यांक. केरी चॅम्पियन लीग 2023 इन कोलॅबोरेशन विथ ग्राम पंचायत मॉर्निंग क्रिकेटर्सांनी हांगासर ऑर्गनायज केल्ली आसा आनी तेजी बरे भशेन सांगता जाल्ली आसा. सगळ्यांक विनर आसा तांकां कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन म्हणटा. मॉर्निंग क्रिकेटर्सांक एक आमच्या म्हणजे आमचे जे 9 वार्ड आसा त्या भितर आमचे जे अपकमींग प्लेयर्स आसा तांकां एक बरी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी ते सलग 4 वर्सां दीत येयल्ले आसा आनी तेचो फायदो सुद्दां भुरगे घेता. हे आयचे मॅच पळोवन दिसून येयल्ले आसा. कारण दर वर्सा वेगवेगळे प्लेयर्स हे शायन जायत येयल्ले आसा. तेतून अशी संद दिल्या बद्दल हांव मॉर्निंग क्रिकेटर्साचे धन्यवाद म्हणटा. म्हाका हांगासर 2 शब्द उलोवंक दिल्ल्या बद्दल थँक्यू म्हणटा. देव बरें करूं.
Thank you, sir. So here I would like to move towards the individual prizes. Before that, I would like to call upon Babaji Gawas from Kerim Cricketers, who has given a wonderful performance for his team, man of the match in the match played between Kerim Cricketers and Atul Strikers. Please come on the stage and collect your man of the match trophy with the hands of our guest, Babaji Gawas. I request Uttam Gawas sir to honor this man of the match trophy to Babaji Gawas. Babaji Gawas, please come on the stage. So I request Uttam Gawas sir to please do the honor. Babaji Gawas, give him a big round of applause. Babaji Gawas has shown a wonderful performance for his team, Kerim Cricketers. Next, second qualifier match played between Azoba Titans and Kerim Cricketers. The match between Keravade Royals, and that match won by Keravade Royals, and the man of the match goes to Siddhant Gawas for wonderful performance, hitting 7 sixes in 7 balls. Siddhant Gawas, please come on the stage and collect your man of the match. I request Usman Sayyed sir to honor Siddhant Gawas, 7 sixes in 7 balls. And the man of the match, one more remaining, that is Kundan Gawas from SCP Brothers. Please come on the stage and collect your man of the match trophy. Kundan Gawas from SCP Brothers. I request Nandita Gawas madam to please do the honor. Kundan Gawas from SCP Brothers was the man of the match in the match played in this league. Next, I am moving towards the final match, and the player of the match in the final goes to, any guesses? Siddhant, Sidhu, Chandan, Bablo, Suraj. So I would like to call upon Siddesh Gawas. Please come on the stage and collect your man of the match with the hands of our respected Sarpanch Diksha Gawas, madam. It's a wonderful performance for his team. Kelavade Royals. Man of the match. Here we have Siddesh Gawas receiving the man of the match in the final. So congratulations Siddesh Gawas and thank you madam for honoring man of the match of the final. Next, I would like to request Praveen Gawas, the president of Morning Cricketer, to provide an award or memento to the Sarpanch of Gram Panchayat Keri, respected so Diksha Gawas madam. Yes, Siddesh Gawas, you can carry this, player of the match. I request President of Morning Cricketer Praveen Gawas to do the honor and give a token of love to Sarpanch Diksha Gawas madam. Also I request Praveen Gawas to give token of love to Deputy Sarpanch respected Sri Bhiva Gawas on behalf of Morning Cricketers. Next, also I request Praveen Gawas to do the honor and give a token of love to Punch members of Nandita Gawas madam. Also, I request Praveen Gawas to provide honor one token of love or memento to Sandeep Tatesar, the Punch member of Village Panchayat Keri. Once again, I request Praveen Gawas to give a token of love to Usman Sayyed sir, the Punch member of Village Panchayat Keri. Once again, I would like to request Praveen Gawas to provide this token of love to Sripad Gawas sir and Deputy Sarpanch who has been with us. Jenna आमकां गरज पडली तेन्ना आमी भैया Deputy Sarpanch Bhiva Gawas कॉल केलो आनी तेन्ना आमकां सपोर्ट जाल्लो तेन्ना आमकां तेणें सपोर्ट केलो. So thank you very much Deputy Sarpanch Bhiva Gawas sir. And here one more moment to the well-wisher, sponsorer each and every time. ग्राउंडार पावल्या उपरांत सदांच आमकां एक कसली ना कसली गरज पडटा आनी त्या वेळाचेर आमकां सदांच हसत मुखत म्हणटा तसो आमकां सपोर्ट करता तो म्हणजे आमचो भाई उत्तम भाई. तांकांय आमी हांगासर मोमेंटो भेटयता. थँक यू फॉर युअर व्हॅल्युएबल contribution and support to make Keri Champions League a successful one. So here we have our token of love to Uttam Gawas sir. So also I would like to give a token of love to Chandrakant sir for being with us and giving us a valuable support and contribution for Morning Cricketers and also Gram Panchayat Keri. So we acknowledge your valuable contribution. Thank you very much sir for being with us. Sir. So now, without wasting much of time, I would like to move towards the individual prizes. The first prize, individual prize, that is fastest 50 of the tournament. And the fastest 50 of the tournament, which is so many 50s in this league. And the fastest among them is Mr. Kundan Gawas from SCB Brothers. Please come on the stage and receive this fastest 50 trophy with the hands of our respected dignitaries. I would like to request Deputy Sarpanch Bhiva Gawas sir to give this fastest 50 of the tournament to Kundan Gawas from SCB Brothers. Congratulations to Kundan Gawas and thank you Bhiva Gawas sir. Next, best catch of the tournament. There were so many catches and exciting catches and energetic catches. Among the organizers have managed to select just one. So no matters. It's Shadab Sheikh from SCP Brothers who has been best catch of the tournament. Shadab Sheikh, an important catch at the important moment for SCP Brothers. Shadab Sheikh, please come on the stage and receive this. I request Sripad Gawas sir to do the honor. Shadab Sheikh from SCP Brothers, the best catch of the tournament. In this tournament and among which highest sixes this None other than Siddesh Gawas, 34 sixes in the tournament. Siddesh Gawas from Kedavade Royals, please come on the stage and collect this trophy, the highest sixes of the tournament. Sixes, 34 sixes in a tournament. So congratulations to Siddesh Gawas for next. I would like to move towards the best discipline team of the tournament, and it's backed by the team Ajoba Maharaj. Please, owner of Ajoba Maharaj, please come on the stage and receive this, the best discipline team of the tournament. Maharaj, I will receive this trophy. I request Usman Sayyid sir to do this honor. So best team, discipline team of the tournament is Ajoba Maharaj team. Next, I'm moving towards best bowler of the tournament. So many bowlers, so many wickets, and a wonderful performance for their team each and every time. So it's a courtesy of Morning Cricketers and Gram Panchayat Keri, this Keri Champions League giving a platform to each and every player. The best bowler of the tournament, picking up 15 important wickets, Mr. Suraj Gawas from Kedavade Royals. Please come on the stage and collect the best bowler of the tournament, Suraj Gawas. So I request Uttam Gawas sir to do the honor. Suraj Gawas from Kedavade Royals being the best bowler of the tournament of purple cap and a trophy and cash prize to Suraj Gawas. Batsman of the tournament is none other than wasting much of time. It is Siddesh Gawas from Kedavade Royals scoring 235 runs for his team. Siddesh Gawas from Kedavade Royals being the best batsman of the tournament. The trophy, cash prize and a cap. I request Chandrakant sir to do the honor. Best batsman of the tournament, Mr. Siddesh Gawas from Kedavade Royals. Next, I'm moving to the team event or team prizes. The team which secured fourth place in this Ajoba Titans. I would like to call upon the stage the owner of Ajoba Titans. Please come on the stage and collect the fourth place trophy and cash prize. The owner of Ajoba Titans, Omkar Gawas. Yes, player from Ajoba Titans. Please come on the stage and collect this trophy. The fourth place trophy, cash prize. I request Sandeep Rathee sir to do this honor. Next, I would like to call upon the stage the team which backed third place in this Champions League. It is Kerim Cricketer. I would like to call upon the stage the owner of Kerim Cricketer, Mr. Vishant Kerkar. Please come up and receive this trophy. I would like to request once again Deputy Sarpanch Shri Viva Gawas sir to do this honor. Third place trophy to Kerim Cricketer, a trophy and cash prize. Cricketers, and thank you, Viva Gawas. Next, I'm moving towards runners-up. There is one big prize that will be decided at the end. So, runners-up is hard time for SCP brothers. Give them a big round of applause to SCP brothers. It's a hard time, and they unfortunately they could not win the championship. So I would like to call upon the owner and captain of SCP Brothers to collect their medals. All the players come up and collect your medals, and captain will come up and receive their runners-up trophy. So all the players from SCP Brothers, come on the stage in a line and collect your medals. Give them a big round of applause. The team which was on the table, top of the table, begged various opportunities, and they performed well in this tournament. So give them a big round of applause once again. SCP Brothers. So it's a runners-up trophy and medals. There we have the player. Lead your team. Akash Gavas. Akash Desai, Kundan Gavas, Ramdas, Mohish Parab, Vishnu Angelkar, Shadab Sheikh, Deep Eshetkar, Sahil Gadkari, Pratik Rane, also owner Nikhil Bandekar. Please come up and collect. Also others, owner of SCP Brothers. Owner, please collect this medal and give it to your players. So I would like to pose for the photo, runners up, then we'll hand over the trophy. All the players, please pose for the photograph along with the dignitaries. Vittal Naik, please come on the stage. Captain, please wait. Captain, Akash Gavas. All the players. I would like to request Deputy Sarpanch, please come ahead and hand over this trophy to the runners-up team SCP Brothers. Captain of SCP Brothers, Akash Gavas, will receive, and owner will receive the runners-up trophy with the hands of Deputy Sarpanch, respected Sri Bivag Gavas. So big round of applause to the owner of SCP Brothers. So it's a big congratulations to SCP Brothers for runners-up of the Kiri Champions League 2023. Thank you, Bivag Gavas, sir. Congratulations and hard time for SCP Brothers. Well played, boys. So congratulations once again and thank you all the dignitaries. I'm moving towards the big prize of the Kiri Champions League. That is the man of the series. Last year, in the first season, we found Babaji Gavas. In the second year, we found Deven Joshi. Third year, the man on the mission, Mr. Kishan. Yes, and this time, there were so many players who has given So we are moving towards the wonderful bicycle which is sponsored by Mr. Ankush Mandrekar from Pariye, so proprietor of Bhumika Travels. So we thank Ankush Mandrekar sir for giving this valuable contribution, a bicycle which is sponsored by Ankush Mandrekar from Pariye. The man of the series, it goes to one and only the man who has shown his wonderful performance, unfortunately could not able to win, Mr. Kundan Gavas from SCP Brothers. Please come on the stage man of the series, Kundan Gavas. Please come on the stage and collect your man of the series bicycle and trophy and cash prize with the hands of our respected Sarpanch. So, Diksha Gavas, madam. The series, Mr. Kundan Gavas, a wonderful performance for his team SCP Brothers, being the man of the series. And this is your, yes, we have to give one position. Just, एक photo घ्या मग. Photo घ्या, boss. Yes, Satyam, just take one photo. So here we have Kundan Gavas, the player of the series from SCP Brothers for KD Champions League Season 4. So congratulations to Kundan Gavas once again. Next, I'm moving towards the winners, the Royals of the KD Champions League. Keravde Royals, who has been the best team of the league, and they have the strong team lineup, and they have managed to come across the boundaries and back the championship title of KD Champions League Season 4. I would like to call upon the players of Keravde Royals. Please come on the stage and collect your medals. Keravde Royals. The photo, one, and then captain will come up and receive the trophy. One photo. Now, once again, second time title for Keravde Royals for KD Champions League. So Keravde Royals, big congratulations. I would like to request Captain. Here I would like to call upon Mr. Rohan Gavas to join us and Chandan Majik to join us for this presentation. The trophies, the first trophy sponsored by Rohan Gavas and second trophy has been sponsored by Chandan Majik. So I would like to request them also, and I request Sarpanch Saw Diksha Gavas madam to please hand over the trophy to the captain of Keravde Royals. Give them a big round of applause once again. They are the real area, respected Sarpanch Saw Diksha madam, Viva Gavas sir, Usman Sayyed sir, Sandeep Tate sir, Nandita Gavas madam, Shripad Gavas,
दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलना। ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलना। ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलना। ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलना। ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलना। ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलना। ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलना। ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना